Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this lace frontal. I got this lace frontal from AliExpress. If you want more details about this wig, please follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to leave the name on my Instagram on the screen of this video, or you can check my description box. So follow me and ask me anything you want to know about this wig. So this is the wig cap that it comes with. It's actually two, which is really nice. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig cap on my head just to keep my hair in place. I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to cut off the lace before I install the wig. Now to hold down this wig, I'm going to be using my Got2b glue. And I want to say that if you know any glue that is better than this Got2b glue, please buy that, because this glue cannot hold down anything. It was so difficult for me putting this wig in place because this glue wasn't doing its job at all. If you guys know any glue that is better than this, please do let me know, and thank you so much. So after the glue process, then I went ahead and applied the Silhouette Invisible Hairspray. This actually helped me a lot in holding down the wig very well. Now to define the edges, I'm going to section out some hair around the front area. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. Now to style this hair a little bit, I'm going to use Cantu Shea Butter Frizz Fighting Leave-In Conditioning Foam. I'm going to leave everything I use in this video in my description box. Please go there and check it out, okay? So guys, this is all for this video, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.